Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see how I did this green smoky glittery eye, then just keep watching. First, I'm just priming my eyes with my Urban Decay primer potion. Then I'm just taking a neutral eyeshadow and I'm setting it. And then to get a sharp line, I'm just going in with some tape. And then for my first shade, I'm going in with Enchanted from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm putting this in my crease and also above my crease. Then I'm taking this bright green shade called Hatter from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm putting this on my outer lid and also in my crease. Then I'm just using my Kylie Cosmetics concealer to make a half cut crease. Then I'm taking my Lemonhead glitter, and this is in the shade Palms, and I'm putting it right where I put my concealer. Then I'm just going back in with Enchanted for my lower lash line. And to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Beam. I'm just adding some mascara and false lashes. Then for cream contour, I'm going in with my NYX Wonder Stick.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by.
For bronzer, I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild contour palette.
I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want.
And then I'm just going in with the highlight shade from the same palette right underneath the bronzer. For blush, I'm going in with Baby Love from Too Faced. And then for my highlight, I'm going in with the shade Upgrade from the ColourPop Gimme More palette. Then I'm just wiping off the powder underneath my bronzer, and then I'm highlighting my nose and Cupid's bow. Then for lips, I'm going in with the shade Plan 9 from Kat Von D.